welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 20 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is conjunctions, right? So let's talk what are conjunctions. So conjunctions are basically the words that are used to join two words or the two group of words or even the two sentences, right? So that is why they are known as the conjunctions or the joining words also, right? So let's read the chapter and find out more about the conjunctions now. Conjunctions are words that join two or more sentences together. तो conjunctions ऐसे words हैं जो कि join करते हैं दो या दो से ज़्यादा sentences को एक साथ, right? जैसे कि झिलमिल is a sincere student. Badal is a sincere student too. So, Jilmil and Badal are sincere students. Jilmil reads only mysteries. Badal is fond of historical fiction. Jilmil reads only mysteries, while Badal fond of historical fiction. Nice. Next, we have the kinds of conjunctions. तो अब बात करते हैं about the kinds of conjunctions. So what are they? Conjunctions are of two kinds: coordinating conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions. तो ये जो coordinating conjunctions हैं ये actually दो तरीके की होती है, the coordinating ones and the subordinating ones, right? So a conjunction that joins together sentences or clauses of equal rank or order is uh, is called a coordinating conjunction, right? तो ऐसे conjunction जो कि sentences और clauses को join करे जो कि equal rank के हों, right? उन्हें कहा जाता है coordinating conjunctions. जैसे कि he is lazy, still people like him. Arun went to see the match and Tarun went to his friend's house, right? These two sentences can be divided into two parts, two equal parts, and neither part depends on the other. कि हम इन दोनों ही sentences को दो parts में divide कर सकते हैं और इनमें से कोई भी सेंटेंस किसी भी पार्ट को किसी दूसरे पार्ट पर डिपेंड होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, राइट? दे आर देमसेल्व्स द इंडिपेंडेंट sentences or the clauses. He is lazy, people like him. And Arun went to see the match. Tarun went to his friend's house, right? Still and are therefore coordinating conjunctions. और इसीलिए हम still और and को coordinating conjunctions मानते हैं, right? Now, when a word joins a clause to another on which it depends for its full meaning, it is called the subordinating conjunction. अब जब ऐसा होता है कि एक word join करता है एक क्लॉज को दूसरे क्लॉज के साथ, जब वो दोनों ही क्लॉज एक दूसरे पर डिपेंडेंट हो, तब उन्हें कहा जाता है सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन, राइट? एग्जाम्पल, रेखा विल कम if she is invited, right? I do not know when he will arrive, right? So the clause if she is invited and when he will arrive clauses पर dependent हैं जो कि है रेखा will come और I do not know, right? ताकि ये अपना meaning निकाल सके. The conjunctions if and therefore are join clauses of unequal rank and are subordinating conjunctions. इसीलिए ये जो conjunctions हैं if और when ये यूज किए जाते हैं क्लॉजेस को ज्वाइन करने के लिए जो कि अनइक्वल रैंक के होते हैं, राइट, एंड आर कॉल्ड द सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस। इसीलिए हम इन्हें सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस के नाम से जानते हैं, राइट। नाउ कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस आर ऑफ 4 काइंड्स। अब जो ये कोऑर्डिनेटिव कंजंक्शंस होते हैं ये 4 तरीके के होते हैं। लेट्स रीड दैम। So first of all we have the cumulative. These conjunctions merely add one statement to another. तो ये जो cumulatives हैं ये actually conjunctions हैं जो कि एक statement को दूसरे statement से join करती है. Some cumulative conjunctions are and, no, sorry, also, to, no less than, as well as, both, and not only but also, right? Tom as well as Huckleberry was punished, right? Not only was the food hot, but it was tasty also, right? Next, we have the adversative. Now, what are these adversatives? Let's read. So, they express opposition और contrast between two statements. तो ये एक्सप्रेस करती हैं opposition या फिर contrast दो statements के बीच में. Some adversative conjunctions are but, still, yet, only, nevertheless, while, and whereas, right? I would help you, only I am really busy now. He is successful, but he is humble. He walked fast, nevertheless, he missed the bus, right? Next, we have the alternative. Now, what is this alternative? Let's say they express a choice between two alternatives, right? तो ये choice express करते हैं दो alternatives के बीच में. अब some alternative conjunctions are either, or, neither, nor या फिर else, right? So ये express करते हैं choice, right? कि ये neither का मतलब होता है ना तो ये ना ही ये, right? So इन चीजों में हमें options मिलते हैं, right? Example, Salim wants either a tennis racket or a football. Walk quickly or else you will miss the bus. Next, we have the elative. अब elative क्या है? These show that one statement or fact is inferred from another, right? तो ये शो करते हैं कि जो एक स्टेटमेंट है या फिर फैक्ट है वो इन्फर करता है किसी दूसरे से, right? So some elative conjunctions are for, therefore, and so, right? तो ये जो elative conjunctions हैं ये है for, therefore और so, correct? So next we have we eat so that we can live. Gopal did not leave home on time. Therefore, he missed the train. Next, we have the subordinating conjunctions are of 9 kinds. Sorry. So, next we have the subordinating conjunctions of 9 kinds. अब ये जो subordinating conjunctions होते हैं ये 9 तरीके के होते हैं. So the very first that is given over here is time. So let's read the subordinating conjunction on basis of time. So subordinating conjunctions of time are when, as soon as, before, until, while, after, as, as, till and since, right? ये सभी हमारे subordinating conjunctions of time है. So examples are, mother will have a bath. Sudha has been happy since she came here, right? Next, we have the subordinating conjunction of place. तो अब बात होगी subordinating conjunction of place के बारे में. Some subordinating conjunctions of place are where, when, and whenever, right? So, examples, I have put the heater in a place where it is out of reach of the children. Next, the lamb followed Mary wherever she went, right? Next, we have the subordinating conjunction of purpose. So it says, some subordinating conjunctions of purpose are in order, that, so that, and lest, right? So speak carefully lest you should hurt anybody. He is practicing hard so that he may get selected in the school hockey team, right? After that, we have the next one, which is condition. अब conditions क्या हैं? Let's see. So some subordinating conjunctions. So examples are, unless I study hard, I will not do well. If you don't work hard, you will fail, right? Next, we have the cause. Next, we have some subordinating conjunctions of cause are as, since, and because, right? Examples, we all decided to have lunch as we were hungry. Next, everybody likes her because she is modest. Clear? Next one, we have effect. So, some subordinating conjunctions of effect are so that and such that, right? तो कुछ coordinating conjunctions effect के हैं so that and such that, right? His behavior was such that everyone disliked him. And it rained so heavily that the crops were ruined, right? Next, we have the subordinating conjunctions of manner. अब ये कौन से हैं? Let's see. Subordinating. Some subordinating conjunctions of manner are as if and as though, right? So example says, Anju looks as if she is having a good time. It looks as though it is going to snow, right? Next, we have the comparison. So let's talk about the comparison. So it says, some subordinating conjunctions of comparison are as, no less than. Examples, Aparna likes, right? Next, we have the subordinating conjunction of concession. So concession के लिए क्या use होता है? Some subordinating conjunctions of concession are although, though, even if, and however, right? Example says, they enjoy reading the book although it was very lengthy. I will do the work even if I get late, right? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all got it well. So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all got it well and you are clear with the conjunctions as well as their kinds also. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.